Welcome to the ArmaniTalks podcast. I'm your host, ArmaniTalks. In this podcast, I'm helping you level up your 5 soft skills: public speaking, storytelling, social dynamics, emotional intelligence, and creativity. 5 soft skills for you to change your life forever, skyrocket your confidence along the way. In today's episode, I'm going to be talking about very simple tools to use in order to plan your trips better. These tools are super simple and they're free. My tools are Reddit, TikTok, and conversations. There are a couple of trips that I'm planning this year. Some include Thailand, others include Canada, San Diego. And for each of these trips, I have never been there. I don't know that many people that have been there. But for the few people that have been there, I'm talking to them. I'm asking them questions about how they liked it, what their experience was like, recommended food places, and such. And if they have not been there, then I'm going to good old TikTok and Reddit. See, TikTok gets a bad rep, but if you use it effectively, especially for traveling, then you will notice that there are a lot of good parts of the app. This is when you can tell the different parts of a certain place that you're trying to go to. You see recommended food spots, traveling areas, snorkeling areas, and such. And from there, you can decide what you want to do. Now, granted, YouTube is also good, but the YouTube videos are just longer. So I'm one of those guys that just wants to see the clips first. I want to familiarize myself first. With Reddit, on the other hand, you need to be somewhat careful because Reddit users are typically whiny and they will talk you out of doing something that you should be doing. So just be careful with that. Certain threads, these people are being somewhat optimistic or they're being realistic. I don't care if they're being negative as long as they're being giving that tip that will help you with your trip. But I just hate it when they're just whining and whining away, saying that, well, this place sucks. Don't even think about it. I don't mind realism. I just don't like when they're overly negative. With Reddit, beware. All in all of these tools, they are free. And that's one thing you want to keep in mind. You don't always need a travel advisor. And one of the bonus ones that I have not even mentioned is ChatGPT. I mean, you use some sort of AI tool to help you with that itinerary, and you are golden. You want to keep polishing your usage with these tools. Don't simply rely on them. Understand that they are tools. They will help you out if you keep on adjusting how you use them. Plan your next trip efficiently and understand that the tools that you seek the most are free. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll catch you next time.